Okay, we'll go to the last one, which is very technical. The one that I started to illustrate is the charging port of Samsung A40 under the microscope. This is under the microscope. We have covered the mic with thermal tape, so it is protected. So we have to go ahead with the process. This our go. The charging port is this is the correct way to change the charging port. We use our alcohol. This is our Swedish iron. Charging port. We'll move one. We'll prepare it for installation. Ready for installation. This is the card. You can see as it is everything is perfect. What we need to do now is to solder it. Let's continue the process. This is the correct way to change your charging system so that everything will be perfect. You now have communication with your customers. We hold it to one position with our laser like that. Left. This is the finishing process after letting all the four legs out to verify that all the legs are connected. I will clean the charging port. This is the final process. Clean the charging port with alcohol. Everything is good. Yes, everything is good now. Let me try it a bit. Everything is good. You can see all the legs, they are soldered very well on the motherboard. With this, you will not have any problem with the charging port. We have succeeded to change the charging port for the TV devices. That's why I advise that the main thing for technician work is having your tools. When you have your tools and you do their work good, you don't have much problem with customers. Although some customers are very troublesome. So in the next video, I will try to see how we can do repairs, like repairs on some phones having motherboard problem, like hardware. So thank you for watching. Please go to like and subscribe so that each time I put any video you will be the first to watch it. And when you go like and subscribe, it will motivate me to do more videos. It's their likes that motivate me to do more videos. And anybody who wants to have any question can message me and I will reply every question that I see. I will give reply to every question. Thank you for watching.